Hey you guys, so I wanted to do an unboxing of a Christmas gift that I got to myself, and it is the mini Pochette and the Damier Ebene print. So I got this pre-loved and it's in perfect condition. It's almost, I don't even think it was used. According to the seller, she said she only used it like 3 times and didn't find any use for it. And I'm so excited because I've been looking to add this to my collection in addition to my mini Pochette. Did I say micro Pochette? I'm a mini Pochette. In the monogram print. So this is my monogram print and this is my Damier Ebene print. I have no desire at this point in my life to get the Damier Azure print. So as far as the mini Pochette goes, I am set. I am good. I am complete. Maybe one day I might add the Christmas print ones, but I'm satisfied. And this is how it looks on the inside. And the only damage I saw was some pen marks, which I don't even think you can notice it, and it doesn't bother me. Yeah, the pen marks are right here, but it's as new as it could be. So I love it even more because I got chains. If you see my previous videos, you'll know that I have 2 chains that are gold that will complement this piece and my monogram piece, and I can wear this as a crossbody. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen like a gazillion videos of what's in my bag or like what fits in a mini Pochette. But if you are interested on what I personally would put in a mini Pochette, feel free to comment below and I'll be happy to make a video. But I just wanted to show you guys that I got this piece to add. So this is the sister to my monogram print, and I'm excited to use this in my collection. Thank you all for watching. If you're interested in my content, please feel free to subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. Thank you.